Hi, this is BRR. Welcome to BRR Knowledge Hub. In this today's session, we'll talk about the Python list and dictionary objects. So one is immutable and one is an immutable object. So what is in a list and what is in a dictionary? Like we want to store multiple values in an object. So we are going to use a list and a dictionary. So list basically uses for storing different values, and when it comes to dictionary, it is basically used to store values based on keys. Now we'll see like how we are going to write a list and these variables. So we'll start some comments. Lesson about the demo of list and dictionary variables, and author by PRR, created on 28th October. Okay, this as I told you in the earlier classes, if you can mention like this when you want to document the program, you can easily document the program using these comments. Okay, I'm just declaring a list, declaring up list. So my list equal to some A and B and C. Okay, this is my list, and I'm going to declare an dictionary variable also, declaring dictionary list. So this is a list and this is dictionary items. So my dict equal to, please note that this is starts with parenthesis. So here my key is A and this value is 1, like that. 2, and similarly C, and this is 3. So this is how we are going to declare a dictionary. And I'm defining function print list, print underscore list, and print my list items are. Okay, and I've okay. Defining, I just want to print items also for I in my list, and or else we'll simply we can do is to print list my list. What it will do, we'll see. So when you do this, if you call the function print list, so how it is displaying, we'll see now. So if you run this, and you can see the list is going to print like this, ABC, and similarly we'll define another function print dict. So where I'm saying my dictionary items are, okay, and print dictionary items comma my dict. Okay, I'm just commenting this function list comment and print dict. If you run this, you will see how the dictionary items are storing. So these are the dictionary items being displayed, whatever we mentioned this my dict variable. Okay, this is how to declare list and dictionary variables. This is the basic level we are going to present here. And similarly, if you want to bind something, let's say I want to bind this join of my list how it is going to display. We'll see now. So just adding an item called some character for my list items. Okay, seems missing another word rocket here because function join is a function. Look at here, you'll get output as S1, A, B, C. Okay, this is a string function because this is the character. Character might have some functions like join something. If you press dot here, you will see all the functions here. These are the functions because it's like object. Okay, this is all about basic dictionary and list item printing. Okay, now I want to put some condition saying that like if the given or if the given item is not in list, I just want to print the rest items. I'm just putting this as comment, and here for I in my list, I'm putting iterator here. My list is iterator, and if I is not B in print I. Just simple. I'm referring my list. This is my iterator variable, and if I is not a B, then print. So what should be the output? We'll see. So if I print this, it will print A, B, C because just capital letters are mentioned. So if I give like this, and if you can see now, it prints BSC. Wow, I got the result. So this is how we are going to apply some of the conditions and iterations on a loop, using a loop on a list items. Okay, so this is how we are going to declare a list. So like A, B, C using an square brackets, and this is how we are going to declare dictionary, like using a parenthesis. So how we are going to declare this parenthesis variables something, and then how we are going to modify the things or joining some character using list using this particular thing. Now I'm just going to comment this, and I will write some modifications for the dictionary because I had told you dictionary is immutable. That means you can add or edit something, right? We'll try. So again, same D in my dict. So if D equal to A or D equal to some C, then I want to print of D comma let us say that is my dict of D. Let's see what would be the output with this. I'm just commenting this dictionary, list related stuff, and I'm just printing this, and we'll see what it will happen. So I have to pass for this my thing. So A and B, I have to pass it here because I'm using because I'm using I think I'm passing this D variable, and I'm passing some E variable, or I can say this is or else I can use only one variable. So I'm passing just A. If you run this, you will see what would be the output. Look at here, A equal to 1, C equal to 3, because in my object calling I passed A. So if A equal to A, condition passed, hence it is printing my value. I said this is a key based value, so I passed A. So whatever value for the A is printed here 1, and again it goes to this loop, and it is again our condition. So again it was printed this one. Okay, this is how you are going to use a dictionary and list variables in Python program. And please note that dictionary is not a sort order because it depends on the hash value hash algorithm. So it won't display in the order which you are mentioning it. If you want to display an order, you have to use a sort order mechanism to display numbers. Okay. Hope you understand how to declare list and dictionary variables and further modify the dictionary or further put in a condition on list and dictionary. Okay, thank you. Thanks for listening to this video. For more videos on Python, please subscribe via our Knowledge Hub. Okay, thank you.